Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am sharing 3 things that you should not do at your fashion show audition. All right, guys, you know we like to dive right in. So the first one is don't stop and ask to start over. If you mess up, just keep going. Because here's the thing, is during a fashion show and you mess up while you're doing your walk, you're not going to stop and start over again. So they actually want to see what you would do if you did mess up, which happens from time to time. So go ahead and continue and just relax and still continue to be confident and don't stop or ask to start your walk over. The next thing is don't apologize for anything. Don't draw negative attention to any part of you or anything that you're going to be showing them. Don't say, oh, I just got these heels. I'm sorry. I should have practiced with them before I came. That's just something that is unnecessary. So don't draw that negative attention to yourself, because if it's between you and somebody else who hasn't drawn negative attention to themselves, that's what they're going to be thinking about, is that negative thing that you pointed out. So don't point out those things, because it is unnecessary and it's actually going to hurt you in your audition. The very last thing is don't make big movements when you come out there, okay? So this isn't about you. This walk, this show is about the clothing and about showing off the work that the designer has done. And so you don't need to go out there and accentuate it with big, large movements unless that's what they ask you to do, which is very rare. You don't need to go out there making these big fashion movements and crazy twirls and stuff. You need to show them that you can do a walk, that you can show off the clothing that you have on and the hard work that the designer has put in to making these awesome pieces of clothing for you to show off. So these are the top 3 things some of the things that you should not be doing at a fashion show audition. I hope this helps you out at your next fashion show audition. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on helping you out with your modeling career and helping you to learn lots of things. Make sure to like this video, share it as well with your friends, and we'll see you on the next one.